Today is Monday, January 3rd. This is the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz power door lock actuating activator solenoids. This is the original vintage set that has been rebuilt for my friend Lawrence in California, and they'll be further advanced onto Japan. It comprises both inseparable sub-assemblies, the 43032 82 and 43032 83. The 82 being the right-hand passenger side and the 83 being the left-hand driver side. So we have the 83 designation for the left-hand driver side and the 82 designation for the right-hand passenger side, and the number is depicted right here on the frame. Okay, 43032 82 and 43032 83, left-hand driver side, right-hand passenger side. So the units have been completely disassembled and fully restored, and I'm going to do a functional validation test under power. And I'll go ahead and ground the units, and we'll apply power. And we see we have a very powerful snap. Okay, and now we'll do the left-hand driver side unit. Okay, and that's the 1959 Cadillac Eldorado Biarritz power door lock actuating activators. Okay, these are for my friend Lawrence, and this will be going out to Japan as soon as I get his okay to ship, reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Cadillac Eldorados and over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items such as these beautiful power door lock actuating activator solenoids. Today is Monday, January 3rd. Thank you very kindly.